When we're looking at a business, we also have to look at the world that business is in, right? The ocean that they're floating in, which we call the industry. You need to know what that industry is about, meaning specifically, who are the competitors to this company? So remember, we're trying to buy wonderful businesses, which means ideally they're the very best business in that industry. So we want to be sure we're doing research not only on the company itself, but also on its competitors. Now, how would we know who those competitors are? Well, clearly, we want simple businesses, so we don't have to really strain our brain to figure out who's competing with McDonald's. You just go down there and look, right? You just see it. So one of the great things about this style of investing is we're going to be buying businesses that we already know a lot about because we're spending our money there, or we're working there, right? Or they're part of our passion for what we like to do in our lives. So we're going to already know something about who the competitors are. And here's a wonderful thing. Every business produces what's called a 10K. Now I'm going to get into a little bit of Wall Street jargon once in a while, but 10Ks are what I put my wife to sleep with every night. I read these things and they're all written by lawyers. But in those 10Ks, you can look at a section called competition, and it'll tell you who they compete against. Really simple way. And then you go out and look at those companies. And what we try to do is see, are they better than the one I like? Or is the one I like the best business in the industry? Well, that's it for this week's video. If you're new here, or if you found this helpful, just subscribe to our channel for more education like this on a weekly basis.